We take a short answer type question in thermodynamics. The question is, show that Cp minus Cv equivalent to R in case of 1 mole of an ideal gas. This question is asked in March 2009. In this question we have to derive Cp minus Cv equivalent to R. Here Cp is the molar specific heat at constant pressure and Cv is the molar specific heat at constant volume and R is universal gas constant. Now to derive this, we consider 1 mole of an ideal gas contained in a cylinder provided with a frictionless piston. Let A is the area of the piston and PVT be the pressure, volume and temperature of the gas. When gas is heated, it expands and the piston moves up a distance dx as we are seeing in the figure. Let the gas be heated at constant volume. When the volume is constant, what is the heat supplied to the gas? dQ1, let us consider this is dQ1 equivalent to Cv into dt. Actually, the amount of heat taken or heat given, this is nothing but N into specific heat into temperature difference, where N is the number of moles, C is the molar specific heat, dt is the temperature difference. In this case, N equivalent to 1, hence I am taking at constant volume heat supplied, dQ1 equivalent to Cv dt. Now from first law of thermodynamics, we can write dQ1 equivalent to du plus dW, but in this case, when the volume is constant, there is no change in volume. That means work done equivalent to 0. Therefore, dW equivalent to 0. Therefore, dQ1 equivalent to du, this is equivalent to Cv dt. That means whatever the heat you are giving to the system at constant volume, that is utilized in changing the internal energy only. Now we take another case. Let the gas be heated at constant pressure. When the pressure is constant, the heat supplied dQ equivalent to Cp dt. We take this is equation 2. From the first law of thermodynamics, dQ equivalent to du plus dW. We consider this is equation 3. Now work done by the gas is equivalent to pressure into change in volume. How you get this? Work done is nothing but force into displacement. This is equivalent to pressure into area is the force into displacement is dx. But A into dx, area into displacement, is nothing but change in volume. Therefore, this is equivalent to P into dV. Therefore, dW equivalent to PdV. Now using equations 1, 2, 3 and 4, you can write Cp dt equivalent to Cv dt plus Pdv. Here I am taking simply the first law of thermodynamics. dQ equivalent to du plus dW. dQ is nothing but Cp dt. du is nothing but Cv dt. dW is nothing but Pdv. We consider this is equation number 5. From ideal gas equation, PV equivalent to RT, at constant pressure we can write PdV equivalent to RdT. Therefore, if I substitute this value PdV equivalent to RdT in equation 5, we get Cp dt. This is equivalent to Cv dt plus RdT, or Cp equivalent to Cv plus R. Therefore, Cp minus Cv equivalent to R. This is the expression for Cp minus Cv equivalent to the difference in molar specific heats is equivalent to capital R, that is universal gas constant. In this question, if you write the expression for du equivalent to Cv dt, then you get 1 mark. If you write the expression dQ equivalent to Cp dt, that gives 1 mark. Substituting the values of du and dq in first law of thermodynamics gives you 1 more mark. Finally, taking the ideal gas equation, PV equivalent to RT, and from that deriving PdV equivalent to RdT, and substituting the values of dq, du and dw in first law of thermodynamics and deducing Cp minus Cv equivalent to R, that gives 1 mark. This is the derivation Cp minus Cv equivalent to R. We take another short answer type question from thermodynamics. The question is, write short notes on triple point of water. This question is asked in March 2010. What is the triple point of water? And we have to discuss the characteristics of triple point of water. The triple point of water, the definition of this is the point at which the three phases of matter coexist in equilibrium is called triple point. Its coordinates are 273.16 Kelvin temperature and 0.006 atmospheric pressure or 4.58 millimeters of mercury pressure. That means triple point is a point which is related to temperature and pressure coordinates where the water can exist in three phases. Three phases means solid, liquid and gas phases. The graph between the pressure and temperature of a substance describing the boundaries between the phases is called phase diagram. If I consider a phase diagram for the water as shown in the figure, the temperature at which solid and liquid states are in equilibrium is called the melting point. A long curve PB, ice and water are said to be in equilibrium. Along curve PB, ice and water are said to be in equilibrium. The line PB is called ice line. That means if we consider this line PB, below this line the substance is in solid state. Above this line the substance is in liquid state. The temperature at which the liquid and vapor states are in equilibrium is called steam point. Along the curve PA, water and vapor are said to be in equilibrium. Suppose we consider the curve PA, this is called steam line. Above this the water is in liquid state, below this the water is in vapor state. The temperature at which solid and vapor states are in equilibrium is called sublimation point. Along the curve PC, solid and vapor are in equilibrium. Solid and vapor are in equilibrium means above this curve the water is in solid state, below this curve the water is in vapor state. The three curves AP, PB and CB meet at a single point P. This is called the triple point of the water. And the coordinates of this point are 273.16 Kelvin temperature and 0.006 atmospheric pressure. If this question is given for 4 marks, if you write what is triple point of water, you get 1 mark. If you explain about ice line, steam line and sublimation line, each gives 1 mark.